We're really trying to have a new solution for patients with damaged livers. Typical treatment for these patients now is what's called orthotopic transplantation, which is where you take a liver out of a donor and then you transplant it to replace that patient's damaged liver. This really just isn't a solution because there's not enough livers for transplantation. We received this nice award from ARPA-H, specifically through their print program. So we've assembled a really great team of individuals from different places, so Harvard University, MIT, Columbia University, and our team here at CU Boulder. Combining all of this expertise with enough funding and support, I think is really what's going to allow us to push this program forward and really come up with a new product and a new therapy for patients. We're really going to leverage our lab's expertise in biomaterials and 3D printing. And so our role is really to take these cells that are being engineered by other teams that are being grown in bioreactors, and we're really going to take it and use 3D printing to then organize it into three-dimensional organs that are also highly vascularized. So they have channels that are there for vessels that will allow us to keep these tissues alive over time. That's really a big part of this project, is to not only engineer the three-dimensional liver tissue, but to understand how these cells can be engineered in a way so that this liver is not rejected from the patient. So the end product is really an off-the-shelf liver that can be transplanted into a patient with a diseased liver.